There were decisions that were made in this house based on what we wanted and decisions based on resale. The power is in the floor plan. And we spent a lot of time fine-tuning our floor plan and then adding the bells and whistles that appeal to our client and also have resale value. So we're going to get moving on seeing the house.
As you enter, you see straight through the home. We call this space here the Atrium. So the idea is see straight through the house. The back of the house is all south facing. So we just missed it about 2 hours ago, but the sun comes straight through this atrium. Always a lot of natural light, changing patterns throughout the day with these high windows. These clerestory windows bring a lot of natural light deep into the house. And it's solar ready, meaning all the conduits have been run, and we just have to pop a little hole through there and put solar panels when the time comes.
It really is pennies in the scheme of cost, and it adds a lot of value for people as they're growing into the house.
So we're going to walk down this way.
Yes.
And this is, we'll call it our private wing.
Yes.
But it's our office and our bedroom.
So the office is a little bigger than probably most studies that you've seen. But Tony and I work from home a lot. And most of our clients want at least one office, if not two. So this way here is our bedroom.
Yeah.
Yes, we're actually showing you our bedroom. I made the bed.
Did you make the bed?
Yes, I made the bed. Yes.
That was a close one.
Yes. None of our clients want these giant bedrooms. So this is a very typical size bedroom that we make. And it's usually fireplace, TV, surround sound, large windows, and a king-size bed. Motorized shades. All the windows in the house are wired for motorized shades. Again, pennies in the scheme of things. I only put shades in about 30% of the windows, only the ones that are in bedrooms and bathrooms. The rest don't have blinds. However, for resale, they're all wired. This is the bathroom. So you want to make sure that there's enough storage in the bathroom, because in order to build a house that is modern, it needs to be a minimalistic look. You need to have storage. Builders don't think about storage. They don't think about the functional parts of a home, and people love storage. We got to design homes with great storage solutions because we do have stuff, but I don't want to see it. Now, we do curbless showers in all of our owners' baths. This whole bathroom is waterproof, so you can run the shower and have a party in there, and it's not going to be an issue. All right, well, let's keep moving this way. You'll see here that every room on the main floor has a mirrored outdoor space. So the bedroom, bath with the hot tub, living room with the outdoor living, kitchen with outdoor cooking, and dining with outdoor dining.
An atrium with outdoor atrium.
Yes, people want the outdoor spaces, so we have to make sure that they're part of the architecture and not an afterthought. People don't want to spend their weekends fixing their houses. So how do we troubleshoot that issue? By building houses that have materials that are less maintenance. The exterior material on the siding, it's Nichiha, and that is an engineered product. It's a fiber cement, the gray panels and the brown ones. There's nothing that you need to do to that product, not even power wash it. The floor is porcelain. We use porcelain instead of flagstone and natural stone. And we use quartz, you'll see on the countertops, instead of granite or stone. We're going back to the low maintenance home. You guys want to go inside? The kitchen has to be cool, it has to be functional, and it has to be grand. The focus was to get as minimalistic as possible, so you're gonna see that there's not a lot of wall cabinets, and there is tons of drawers, so we can have more windows.
Thank you very much for inviting us to this regular.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.